Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha if you're new here. If you are new, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. To my longtime subscribers, supporters, thank you guys so much for the support. So as you guys can see from this title, this is going to be a quarantine manicure. Okay, done by yours truly, Gel Mani. Okay, so if you guys would like to see how I achieved this nice Gel Mani, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump right into this video. So here are the tools that I use to accomplish my manicures. I have these little gel mood changing polish. I also have white gel polish from Sally Hansen, my nail files, and different tools. So I usually use this magic remover. I got it from Amazon. I'll link that down below. And you put it on just like nail polish, and it strips the previous gel polish that you have on your nails. So normally I have gel polish in all my nails, but for this particular week I ended up peeling them off. The remover just basically melts the polish off. It becomes like a powdery consistency. The next thing I do is file down my nails. I realized that it's better for me to do one hand at a time, so you'll see that later on in the video. But I definitely enjoy doing my nails myself, pampering myself during this time, making sure that my nails are still done. Just still take care of myself as much as I can, have some sense of normalcy still. So I'm using the cuticle pusher and just pushing my cuticles back. Next, I'm buffing my nails. You want to have your nails buffed with gel polish, so the gel polish has something to like grab onto, so it doesn't just peel off after you apply it. After buffing my nails, I use alcohol, and I just clean off my nails, make sure there's no oils or anything on my nail beds, because that hinders the polish from staying on and lasting for the whole week. Next, I have my UV light, and I actually got this UV light from Walmart. I got a gel set, I believe, years ago. So I just pulled that out, and that definitely makes the polish process better. So this is the color I chose this week. It's a purple and pink mood changing color. And as you all know, well, I don't know if you guys know, but it's easier to apply polish on the left hand than it is the right hand. So I'm just doing the left hand first, the easier one, get it out of the way. So I'm applying one coat evenly on the nail bed. It was really hard to get like the right camera angle for you guys to actually see what I'm doing and still be able to get the polish on. It was a bit difficult. So once I've applied the polish, I put it under the UV light, and I also clean it up first around the corners, and now I'm applying the second coat. I applied 2 coats of the polish. And when I'm applying the polish, I try not to go all the way down to the nail bed too soon, so it stays even. And here I am just cleaning up the polish around the nail, make sure it looks nice and clean and professional looking. See that pretty pink that you get with the color change? So the purple is the cold color, and the pink is when it's heated up, the hot color. So after the second coat, I go ahead and put my hands back under the UV light. And I actually do it twice for each session under the UV light to make sure it's completely cured and dry. Once that's done, I go ahead and use the alcohol wipe again. So I didn't show applying the top coat to my left hand, but you'll definitely see it when I move on to my right hand. So the first coat has already been applied to my right hand, and I'm applying the second coat. So difficult for me to do, but I guess for most people to do the right hand. But the key for me is to lay my hand down and have a really nice grasp of the brush and just do quick strokes all the way down, nice and even. Here I am again, starting in the middle and just move the product down the nail bed. I don't know, this is what works for me. You just have to find your technique. But this hand is definitely the harder hand for me to apply polish to. So I went ahead and continued applying the polish to all the nails. I also clean up the nail before I put it back, making sure that there's no like extra polish, whatever mess. And I usually have more like mess with the right hand than I do on the left hand. But it actually looks pretty good, as you guys can see, pretty even. And then I put it back under the UV light again. And again, when I put my fingers under the UV light, I do two sessions each time to make sure that the polish is completely dry and cured. Okay, here's my top coat. It's not necessary, but I like using it. It helps preserve the nail polish lasting for the whole week. So I apply the Sally Hansen gel top coat to all the nails, and it just gives it an additional shine. Like right now you can see the other fingers don't have the top coat on them as yet, but you can see the shine that it creates. And the brush for the Sally Hansen is really wide and thick, so it makes applying the polish a lot easier. I guess it covers more surface. And the key also is not to put too much polish on any coat. You want to make sure you put just enough. And you also want to make sure that you get the corners of the nail beds. So here I'm just making sure I got the corner of the thumb. And then UV light again. So I wait and make sure I do it for 2 sessions and make sure it's fully cured. And here are the nails after the UV light. I'm applying my rubbing alcohol. Here are the final results. Really cute. Happy with this set. And this is actually saving me a lot of money. I'm using my Nivea hand cream just to give myself that, after you get your nails done at the salon, they give you the oil. I don't have any oil to put on my nails, but I try to stay away from oil anyway because it makes the polish starts cracking, I guess, lifting. So I'm just applying some lotion to give you that nice, clean, moisturized manicure that you walk out of the salon with. Super cute. So here they are. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, my gel mani came out super cute. I think even after this quarantine is over, I'm going to keep doing my manicures myself. I'm saving so much money and they look so amazing. Alright, so I think I will be doing my nails myself from now on because they look pretty darn good. It's, like I said, it's my 3rd time doing it for myself, and of course the right hand is harder to do than the left. But look at that right hand, girl. Look at that right hand. Super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any other quarantine type or just general videos you'd like to see me cover, please comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys once again for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Off in flame. All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.